Okay, today we're gonna iPhone XR. That phone don't crack upside. Backside don't crack. The screen don't crack. Where screen don't crack where. So we'll get a new screen here we'll replace. We'll get a new screen here we'll replace. A new screen this. A new screen this. Very good quality. Very good quality. And then we'll also get the back side also done. Finish. We get a new back here also for putting. So we'll put this back there also.
Yeah, you know how we do it.
Now new screen, old screen.
The man got fireman, he knows how we do it.
We don't have people's password. We don't have the password. We don't have the passcode. It's down.